Welcome to 105 Truitt Drive in Elon, North Carolina. This is a 4-bedroom, 3-bathroom home with a 2-car garage, conveniently located near Elon University. We've also got a bonus room above the garage. It's been completely remodeled on the inside. There's new carpet, fresh paint everywhere, new flooring in other areas, a new deck, a fenced-in backyard. It's got so much. Let's go inside and take a look. From the front porch, we're going to head in the front door. This entryway features the stairs that go up to the bedrooms, a coat closet, wood floors. To the right is the dining room, which we'll take a look at in just a minute, but to the left we have the living room. There's lots of windows in here. We've got a wood-burning fireplace with bricks around and hearth. Got a ceiling fan in here, crown molding, and these 2 geometric arched doorways. We'll pass back through the entryway into the dining room. And here we've also got a ceiling fan with a light, crown molding, chair rail, wood floors, and terrific natural light from the window on the front of the house. This is connected to the kitchen and the breakfast area, which has also been redone. We've got new flooring in here. Nice bright white kitchen with subway tile backsplash, stainless steel appliances including the dishwasher, electric smooth top stove and oven, and microwave. Got the double bowl stainless steel sink right under the window that looks out into the backyard. Right there's the space for the refrigerator, and here is some extra cabinetry and countertops. And then if you will notice here, some of these fixtures are already set up for USB charging. Over to this direction, we have got the garage door, and then the door that leads out onto the deck, and stairs up to the bonus room. The pantry in here has got really cool pull-out shelving, which is fantastic. We're right here in the breakfast room. It's nice and bright. We've got 3 windows and a door that leads out to the deck. It's also got a ceiling fan and the new flooring in here. It's open to the kitchen. And then here's the laundry facility. There's your hookups right there. It's even got a cabinet in there for storage and a place to hang clothes that are drying. We'll head down this hall, and here is the main level suite, guest suite, or it could be the master, however you want to choose. There's another master upstairs, but it's a good sized room. Got a window, 2 big closets, ceiling fan with light, and an attached bathroom with a single bowl vanity. Terrific storage in here. There's 2 banks of drawers, as well as the space under the sink and the medicine cabinet and mirror. And here we have the stand-up shower. And then there's also a door right here that leads out into the hallway right here. We are now upstairs, and at the very top of the stairs, you'll notice there is a closet, linen closet right here with wood shelving in it, and another closet here, also with wood shelving, and your attic access is right there. But once you come to the top of the stairs, immediately when you turn left is the upstairs master. It is also a good sized room with a ceiling fan with a light, 2 big closets that are separate, so his and hers. And then we have our master bath. We've got a tub shower combo in this section and a single bowl vanity in this section. It's a lot like the one downstairs. We've got 2 banks of drawers, plenty of space under the sink, and the medicine cabinet and the mirror. New carpet and flooring all throughout the upstairs. Now to the left we find the hall bathroom. Very similar to the other 2 bathrooms. We've got a tub shower combo in here and the single bowl vanity with lots of storage and the medicine cabinet and the mirror. Right next to that is bedroom number 3. Got a window, ceiling fan with light, and a good sized closet. This room looks out over the backyard. And then finally we have bedroom number 4. It's on the front of the house. It also has a ceiling fan with light, a window looking out over the front yard, beautiful trees, and a fantastic walk-in closet, as you can see right there. We've come back through the kitchen to near the garage door and outside door and come up the stairs to find this bonus space. We've got 2 ceiling fans with lights up here and a window at either end. This is great extra space. Could be used for a den, office, whatever you can think of to use it for. But it's terrific extra living space in this home. We're now out on the deck. It is a huge deck. Lots and lots of space out here. Plenty of space to entertain. You've got plenty of room for table, chairs, grill, and other seating. And it looks out over the relatively flat backyard. There's also a patio here. So once again, tons and tons of space for entertaining. Now we're down in the backyard. I'll swing around. As you can see, this is a really big backyard. It is entirely fenced. And again, there's the back of the house. And we are at 105 Truitt Drive in Elon, North Carolina.